You only have one MLID receiver or one rover, and you want to be able to collect centimeter level accurate points. You don't have a base. In this setup, I will show you how to use one unit or one rover to connect it via NTRIP to receive RTK corrections so that you have got centimeter level positioning to take your measurements. For this case, in South Africa, we will use Trignet. But for whatever country you are from, if you've got a service like this, the setup will be similar. So we've put on our rover, we've also inserted a SIM card, and now let us proceed to connect to MLID flow and configure RTK using NTRIP. We'll press on hold on Wi-Fi, select the rover, we'll key in the password. The password is the same for all MLID Reach units. And the password is also MLID Reach. We'll select connect, allow for a couple of seconds. Select tab for options, don't ask again, select yes. We'll close the Wi-Fi settings, then open MLID flow. Once we have opened MLID flow, we'll select our available receiver, which is the rover. Once this is connected, we'll go to settings, go to mobile data, and make sure that the mobile data is on. Okay, the mobile data is on. We will now go into correction input. Under correction input, we'll go under NTRIP. Under NTRIP, we will create a new profile. This is the profile that we'll be using to connect to NTRIP. We'll name this profile Trignet. We'll put in the address. We'll key in the port. We'll also key in the username and password. To get the address and port, you can go on to trignet.co.za and go under RTK or NTRIP settings, and you'll be able to find this address. You can also register a profile to get your own username and password. Select a mount point or base station that's closest to you. In this case, the closest base station to us is Pretoria Single Base. We'll select on it, then select Save. Our rover is now receiving corrections. It's showing us float, and in a few seconds, we should have a fixed solution. We now have a fixed solution. We can now proceed to go to survey and create a project. Just to remember, this kind of setup, you need to have internet access or network coverage in the area where you'll be working. It is also advisable to be in a 35-kilometer baseline to your nearest base station. Let's now proceed to create our project. We'll select on plus to create a project, key in the project's name, we can select a description. Select a coordinate system that's applicable to our area. For this case, the Hartbeeshoek 94 or 29 is applicable, and the South African joint. I'll select on save. Our project is created. Now I can select on plus. This will take me to the measurement interface where I can collect my data. I will now set my pole height. The pole height for this case, for the rover, is 2 meters. I'll go into settings. Make sure that the collection rule is on fixed only, tilt compensation is on, and that my collection mode is on averaging, and each point will be averaged for 5 seconds. Once I'm happy with this, I'm going to select on save, and then I'll key in my point name. Once I've keyed in my point name, I can now proceed to go and measure my point. When using NTRIP, it is important to remember what is the maximum baseline that you need to be from your base station for you to be able to get a fixed solution. Normally, this is around about 35 kilometers. So the conditions for you to be able to do this is, first, you must have network coverage in the area where you are working. You must be within that baseline limit that's required, normally 35 kilometers. And then from there, if these conditions are met, you will be able to survey with RTK fixed solution using NTRIP.